Alright, so we got our '07 Mercury Grand Marquis that we did some repairs on a while ago. Somebody bought it, so they've had it for a couple weeks and then it wouldn't start. So definitely like a fuel related concern. So I scanned it and we had a fuel pump driver module offline. So I'm testing at the fuel pump and we didn't have anything on our feed circuit. So here I was checking the fuse and one side of the fuse was open. So we pulled it out here and it was blown. So that was the fuse for our fuel pump relay. I tried to show it, but you just can't really see it. So here I put a new fuse in. So it still didn't start, so I went back and checked to see if the fuse blew, and it did not. There's a shutoff switch for the fuel. Never worked with a car that had that before, but it was supposed to be down. I tried starting it both ways. So now we're at our fuel pump driver module, and I was just checking our power to the module, and it load tested good. So here I'm checking our feed circuit, and now we do have power here, which we didn't before. So that was because of the fuse. So that's coming out of the driver. This is going to the fuel pump. So we now have our 12 volts and the voltage drop is good. So now I'm just checking the feed circuit and ground that's at the driver module, and we were good there as well. All right, go ahead. I don't have anything. Nothing. All right, go ahead. Nothing. So there, I had somebody crank it and I disconnected the line after the fuel filter and we had nothing coming out. So then I took the fuel filter off and had them do it again just to make sure it wasn't like a clogged fuel filter, and nothing came out. So I decided to go ahead and just do a fuel pump assembly on it. So in ProDemand, it says to drop the tank. I just have watched videos and did some research on it, and everybody was taking it out of the side. So I decided to try to do the same thing. So taking it out aside actually worked. Getting it out didn't really have to do much, but we'll see in a little bit that I had to like pry the exhaust out of the way to get it back in. So after we got the bolts snug, we just torqued them down to 89 inch-pounds. Got him.